Hi everyone, my name is Aviona and thank you so much for having me back on my channel and for checking on my channel. Today is an announcement that I'm so excited to talk to you about. This is an upcoming upgrade of the Travel Rehab to Ms.Aviona. And number one, the good thing about it is it's an individual, it's me. I'm the one who holding on to it, and I myself is the product of this channel. Now I am just excited to show this to you as I am just trying to put my hands into it to be devoted YouTuber. I don't know why, it just so happened that I miss doing a YouTube channel and uploading YouTube video, and I guess I have so much more to offer. And other than that, Ms.Aviona has also incorporated a website for each aspiring physical therapist, or for physical therapists in the foreign country or in the other countries who wanted to work here in the US, that will give you a glimpse on how to be a physical therapist here in the US. And that is really something that you could never imagine, that, you know, like, oh, you're seeing a physical therapist and you can be just as where I am at today. So for us to be looking into this is just exciting. And Thursday will be my next video, so that will be about licensing in Pennsylvania, as I'm a licensed physical therapist in Pennsylvania. And I'm just excited to share it to you and how did I apply to it. So without any further ado, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit like on this video. Thank you, and I can't wait to see you. Bye.